In this video, I'm going to show you how you can upgrade your Perplexity account to Pro. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. To upgrade your account to Pro, first you need to go ahead and log into your Perplexity AI account. Once you are here, you should see we have an option to upgrade. Go ahead and click on upgrade, and this will take you to this paywall. Alternatively, you can just go ahead and click on your account and then choose all settings. Under account here, you should see we have an option to upgrade your plan. If you click on this, you'll see we have personal plans, education, as well as business plans. Go ahead and choose your preferred plan and then click on get. Once you click on this, here you'll be taken to the payment page where you should enter your billing details for you to be able to upgrade to this plan. Currently, Perplexity allows card payment as well as US bank option. So go ahead, fill in your payment details and then click on subscribe. So that's how you can subscribe or switch to Pro account in Perplexity. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.